In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pop-up form in Klaviyo. We'll get to the right dashboard, choose a template, set the basics, design it, decide when it appears, and publish. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. From the main navigation, open website, then click Sign Up Forms. This is the home for all your pop-ups, flyouts, and embedded forms, and it's where you'll create a new one for your site. Click Create Form in the top right corner to open the template library. Browse the options and pick a template that fits your goal, like collecting emails or promoting a discount. When you've found one that suits your brand, click Use Template to load it into the editor. Before you design, fill in the basics. Give the form a clear name so it's easy to find later, and select the email list where new subscribers should go. Choosing the right list keeps contacts organized and triggers the correct flows. When that looks good, click Create Form to move into editing. In the editor, open the Styles panel to customize the look and feel. Set colors that match your brand, choose clean, readable fonts, and refine the layout so the message is easy to scan. Keep contrast strong for accessibility, keep copy short, and limit fields to what you truly need, often just an email address and maybe a first name. Simple, focused forms generally convert better. Next, decide when the pop-up should appear. Go to Targeting and Behavior. You can use exit intent to catch visitors as they're about to leave, show it after a set number of seconds to let people engage with the page first, or display it on page load for immediate visibility. Think about your audience and content. A short delay is often less disruptive, while exit intent can work well for promotions. When you're happy with the design and behavior, make it live. Click Publish in the top right corner. From that moment, the form will start collecting leads on the pages you've targeted, and new signups will flow into the list you selected. And that's it. Your pop-up form is now live and collecting leads in Klaviyo. Thanks for watching.